Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video we are gonna do a blue eyeshadow. It's a simple style to achieve a cute style, and I'm starting by applying some foundation. You can use concealer, blend it nicely before applying your shade. So I'm starting with this color of eyeshadow. That is what I'm applying almost on top of near my eyebrows. Blend it smoothly. I'm using this dark color, dark brown at my cut crease where I'm gonna cut my cut crease. So blend it nicely also, and take your time. Then this previous color, then blend it nicely with the second color. Make sure they blend nicely. Then this is the time I'm applying my blue color. Make sure everything blends nicely. Take your time when blending this. Use a fluffy brush like that. Blend until you achieve the final look that you are looking for. So this blue is so cute. I love it. It's a nice blue. So blend it into your skin nicely and make sure all the three colors blend nicely. This is a cute style, a very easy style to achieve. So back to the other colors, blend, keep blending until you achieve that final look. That is the aim here. So I'm gonna cut a cut crease on the some part of it so that I can apply a brighter color that will blend with the blue color. Do it nicely and make sure you don't overdo. So this is the color I'm applying. Nicely, carefully. It's a bit shimmery. So blend it, blend. Keep blending both colors. Blend until you achieve the final look. That is the aim. So you don't look funny, so that the eyeshadow don't have creases. Blend until you achieve that final look. You see, keep blending, and then we are doing our wing liner. Also simple to achieve, but for beginners it can be a bit hard. Take your time when doing this. Take your time and make sure you do a nice wing liner. It's simple to achieve, by the way, guys. It's not hard, very easy to achieve. Also, take your time when doing this. Take your time. Then I'm gonna use my foundation. I didn't know at this particular time, I didn't know where my concealer was, and I used my foundation. So I can advise you to always use your concealer, because this foundation was a bit watery. So I went ahead and blended that using my finger. Then I'm gonna use my eye pencil to darken the inside part of my eye so that when I apply the false oh my god, eyelashes, they don't show, they blend in nicely. The dark color blends in. So do that to the lower lid, waterline, not lid. Apply the black pencil on the waterline. Make sure to maintain that. So I'm using my mascara at this particular time. I feel like I don't have long eyelashes, so I will be adding my false eyelashes. It's good when you're doing false eyelashes, you start by applying mascara so that they can have a base to lie on, so that it can also be easy for you to apply the false lashes. And when you apply them, they blend in nicely. So you see how cute the mascara is. So I apply on both sides. Make sure it dries before you apply your false eyelashes. So this is my false eyelash with, I used a white glue. I'm hoping it will dry up and not have residues. So it's advisable you use a dark glue. With hope it will dry up and not leave residues. At this particular time, my black glue dried up. I left it open and it dried up. So until I go to restock my makeup product, that's when I will have a chance to buy a new one. So I hope you like the look.